Alright, I've moved the shrimp over to a different location, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to make our vegetables. So we're going to cut 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince them very fine. You see the garlic will always slide up the edge of the knife, so once the 2 are together, we're going to mince them a little bit more than we did for our other 2 dishes. Then we're going to cut half of a small red onion. Half. We're going to go along. Mince it up, not quite as small as the garlic, but still fairly small. We want the color definitely to be seen.